Welcome to this presentation on an automated quiz application. Let me show you where the application is available and also a demo of the application. Let me open a browser first. I'm opening Safari, Google, Source4j, Nathan. Source4j Nathan SR profile. So click the search. Here you find an application called Automated Quiz. Just open it. You can read through the instructions later. It's essential. Now let's download it. The download has come and I will open the Explorer or the Finder window. Go to Downloads. Here, Mac OS. I'm showing this demo on Mac. It has already extracted the zip file that got downloaded. In other OSs like Linux or Windows, you need to extract it to a folder. Extract the quiz application to a folder. In this quiz folder, you will see three files. One is quiz.sh, the script, main script. Quiz.txt is the quiz application questions, answers, and choices that you can record for your class. And studentscore.txt is the log file which will continuously record all your students' scores. Let's first open the quiz.txt file and see how I'll open it. Open with, let's say I'll open the text editor, TextMate. Here I have written some two questions, sample questions, along with their answers and choices and the answers. I have put the hash character, hash separator. You can see this clearly. Hash separator is that is between the questions, choices. Let's say this is the question. This is the question. These are the choices. And this is the answer, correct answer. And all the three are separated by a hash character. So let's maintain this format, which is essential. So let's see next this one is, I will work through the script now. Let's see how this application works. Quiz.sh. I will open the terminal. I will meanwhile minimize all these things. I'll open the terminal again. Clear the screen. Now change directory to downloads. CD quiz application. Quiz_1 ls-lt quiz.shell. You can find three files here. Let me run the quiz.sh, the main application. So it says type your full name please, or close window to quit. Press enter key after you type your name. It says quiz will start in 10 seconds time. So it is asking me which is the fastest animal. Elephant, cheetah, your answer please. I will select, let's say B, option B. I enter B and press enter key. Which is the longest river, Nile and Ganges? Let's say I will select the wrong answer now. B. and see what happens. So it says now the quiz is over actually, because I have only scheduled 2 questions. You can have as many questions as you want, questions and choices and answers in the quiz.txt file. So now it displays my score. Hi Nathan SR, your score is 1 out of 2. Your score percentage is 50%. Time taken by you, hours, minutes and seconds is 0023 seconds. Press enter key to continue. I press the enter key. It again goes back to the first question, which is for the next student to enter. Actually, it can do for the whole class, one by one, all students. So next student will come to the same computer and can type it. Of course, this application does not require an internet connection. It can work locally and store your results also locally. I type the next student name. Which is the fastest animal? I say B now. I say A, Nile for the next question. It says, hi John M, your score is 2 out of 2, 100%. And 10 seconds I've taken, press enter key to continue. And it again goes back. Now I want to quit the application, so I just press the into key here. You say terminate or close, whatever it's appropriate to your OS. Now let's see, let me go to the Finder window and in downloads folder, quiz 1 folder, I see quiz.shell, text and student score. Now student score is something which I want to see. Let's open this, double click it. Let me maximize this. So it says full name, 2 names, score / total, percentage, time taken. So this is recorded actually this is automatically recorded by the quiz application. So you can print it out and do whatever you want with it. Now, essential thing about this is you will have to edit this quiz.txt file to as many questions as you want with the answer choices and the answers, with the hash separator character in between the question, answers and choices. Question, choices and answer. Right, I think I've covered everything. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.